Hello students, welcome back to our English class. In our last video, we saw simple present tense and how to use action verbs in simple present tense. Isn't it children? Yes, very good. So, in today's class, we are going to learn how to use be verbs in simple present tense. Shall we move on? Yes. So, at the end of the class, you will be able to use appropriate words and phrases, spell the English words correctly, recall the structural item presented, write distinctly and legibly. So, before moving on to our topic, I want to ask you a question. So, what is a verb? Yes, you are correct. A verb is a word that conveys action, occurrence, or state of being. Verbs are needed to form complete sentences or questions. Very good, children. You have answered it correctly. So, what is a verb? A verb is a word that conveys action, occurrence, or state of being. Verbs are needed to form complete sentences or questions. Then, what is an action verb? Yes, describe something that a person, animal, thing, or force of nature can do. Yes, very good. So, what is an action verb? Describe something that a person, animal, thing, or force of nature can do. Now, we are going to learn be verbs. So, here what you all can see? You can see some verbs, isn't it, children? Yes, now we are going to learn what are the be verbs. Is, was, are, were. So, what are these? All these are be verbs. I repeat, am, is, was, are, were. All these are be verbs. Yes, very good. In our last video, we saw how to use action verbs in simple present tense. Now, we are going to learn how to use be verbs in simple present tense. So, be verbs show a state of being. Be verbs show a state of being. So, first, see, you can see present. In present, what are the verbs? Am, is, are. So in present, what are the verbs? Am, is, are. Then in past, what are the verbs? Was and were. Then past participle. So I have already told you what is a past participle. Yes, completed action. Yes, very good. So here they have given been. So other examples such as seen, given, all these are completed actions. Yes, very good. Then present participle. So what is present participle? A form of a verb that in English ends in ing and comes after another verb to show continuous action. Yes, very good. Here, see the word is ending with ing, being. So it is a present participle. Yes, very good. So, am. Am is used for I. So, am is used to represent I. Then are. Are is used for we, you, and they. So, are is used to represent we, you, and they. Is used for he, she, it. So, am is used for I, are is used for we, you, and they. Then is. This is a verb used for he, she, and it. Then, now we are going to see how to use be verbs in simple present tense. So, In the first sentence, I am a student. So here, what is a be verb? Yes, very good. Am is a be verb. See, am. Am is a be verb. So I am a student. Then we are students. Here, what is a be verb? Are. Yes, very good. You are a student. Are is be verb. They are students. So, what is a be verb? Are. Yes, very good, children. Here, sometimes you will come for singular and plural. By seeing the object, we can identify whether it is singular or plural. See, you are a student. Here it is in singular. Yes, very good. So, you is used for both singular and plural. Then we need to identify by seeing the object whether it is a singular or plural. Next, he is a student. See, he is a student. She is a student. It is a book. So here, what are the be verbs? Yes, very good. This is a be verb here. See, he is a student. This is a be verb. Then she is a student. Here again, this is the be verb. Then it is a book. Here again, this is a be verb. Yes, very good. So in these sentences, what are the be verbs? Am, are, and is. Yes, very good. Now we are going to see few example sentences. We are police. Here is a carpenter. You are an engineer. She is a teacher. So in the first sentence, see, we are police. So here, what is a be verb? Yes, are. Are is a be verb. Very good, children. Then he is a carpenter. So here, what is a be verb? Yes, this is a be verb. Then the third sentence, you are an engineer. See, are is a be verb. Yes, very good. Then the last sentence, she is a teacher. So is a be verb. So what are the be verbs? Am, is, are, was, were, all these are be verbs. Yes, very good, children. Next, we are going to learn when to use simple present tense. When to use simple present tense in habitual actions. So, first, what is an habitual action? Habitual actions means actions takes place regularly. So, what does the word habitual actions means? Actions takes place regularly. Yes. So, I wake up at 6 a.m. every day. I wake up at 6 a.m. every day. So, every day is a regular action. So, here, what is a simple present tense? Yes, wake. See, the simple present tense is wake. Yes, very good. In the next sentence, I go to market every Saturday. I go to market every Saturday. So here the present tense is go. Are you all able to see, children? Yes, yes. Here the simple present tense is go. Yes, very good. Then few examples for habitual actions. He plays game after school. I repeat, he plays game after school. Yes. Here what is the present tense? Plays. Yes, very good. So plays is a simple present tense in habitual actions. In next sentence, my father goes to office by car. My father goes to office by car. So in this sentence, where the simple present tense lies? Yes, very good. Goes is the present tense. Very good, children. Next is general truths. This information remains the same always. So What is the general truth? Information remains the same always. Yes. So, the earth goes round the sun. See, the earth goes round the sun. So, it is a general truth. Here, where the simple present tense lies. Yes, see, goes. So, goes is the present tense. Yes, very good, children. Next, water boils at 100 degrees Celsius. I repeat, water boils at 100 degrees Celsius. Here the present tense is boils. Yes. So it remains the same. So what is the general truth? Information remains the same always. Yes. So other examples for general truth is sun rises in the east. I repeat, sun rises in the east. So here, what is the present tense? Rises. Yes, very good. So sun rises in the east. So we cannot change the truth. Isn't it? Yes, very good, children. Next, there are 24 hours in a day. There are 24 hours in a day. So here the present tense is are. Yes, very good. Next, unchanging situations. What is an unchanging situations? Happening regularly. Yes, I am a teacher and I teach English. I go to school by bus. See, I am a teacher and I teach English. I go to school by bus. So here, what are the present tense? Am, teach and go. Yes. Are you all able to see? Yes, very good. See, I am a teacher then and I teach English. See, teach is present tense. Then go. I go to school by bus. So am, teach, go. All these are present tense in unchanging situation. So for example, children love to play. Yes. Here the present tense is yes, love. So children love to play. Here, where does the present tense lies? Yes, love. Love is the present tense in the sentence. Yes, very good, children. Next is planned actions. See, the examination starts next week. Planned actions means they have decided already. The examination starts next week. Here, what is the present tense? Starts. See, simple present tense is starts. Yes, very good, children. So, we have learnt verb, action verb, then be verbs. Okay. In simple present tense, what have we learned? How to use action verb in simple present tense, then how to use be verbs in simple present tense. Isn't it, children? Yes, very good. So now you should be able to use appropriate words and phrases. Spell the English words correctly. We call the structural item presenter. So what is an action verb? Describe something that a person, animal, thing or force of nature can do. So in simple present tense, we learned how to use action verb and we learned how to use be verb in simple present tense. Isn't it, children? Yes. So then write distinctly and legibly. Your today's follow-up is frame your own sentences using be verbs such as am, is, are in simple present tense. I repeat, frame your own sentences using be verbs such as am, is, are in simple present tense. Thank you, children, for listening. Have a good day.